This video, I'm going to go over this digital torque wrench, and it looks like it's from the company YIYEIE, whatever that is. That's definitely a cool name. And let's just go over some of the specs on the wrench here. It's a buzzer with LED indicator on the actual wrench itself, and it's got 5 units right here. You can see the different units of measurement, everything from Newton meters to, you know, I think that's kilograms and pounds. And it also has the TP mode. And then it's got preset store functions, and then it's got plus or minus 1% on the variance. It's been calibrated. Mine is in a 3/8 drive, but you can get these up to, I think you can get a 1/4 and a 1/2 inch drive, and it's a 4-piece. Oh, it goes from 6.7 Newton meters all the way to 135 Newton meters. Let's just go ahead and take this thing out of here and see what we get with it. Oh, nice case. Look at this nice case. Those are metal, everybody. That's a metal, not these little plastic cheap little buckles right there. So you get some extensions here. You get I think that's probably a 6-inch extension, a 4-inch. So that can go from 3/8 to a 1/4. So you get an adapter where you could actually put a larger on there. Okay, let me go ahead and go over this thing. So you turn it on with this button right here. Hold this down and it'll come on. Actually, I already had it on. Turn it on. You see how it comes on right there. It comes on, it's at 0. To set this thing, you're gonna, let's go ahead and let's change it. So it's on foot-pounds. Let's go to Newton meters right there. That's what the U does. And then I wanna set it. So if I wanna go to 60, what you're gonna do is hit the M button there. Check out how I can go down. Let's set it for 73.8. Hit the M button again. It is stored in there. So we are good. Now it's on 0. You can see right up here, it says 73.8 is what we have that set on. Then if you change it, it actually holds this. See, that's 54 foot-pounds of pressure right there, 73.8. So what we're gonna do, let me go ahead and loosen these up. Now I'm not gonna use this to loosen these. I'm gonna use just a regular ratchet to loosen them up. Oh, by the way, there was some literature that came with this. So here's all of the things on if you want to do the adjustment. So it does come with some instructions on how to do it and a little inspection card that it is QC passed all the way up to 0.01%. So you do get that little bit of paperwork. I took it out of the box and set it over there. So now let's go ahead, now that we have our torque set where we want it, to put this on, you're just going to mash it down. It has that kind of holder piece on there. And check this out, everybody. We are already at 28. Let me move you a little closer down here. 40, 50. It starts beeping when we get about 10. There we go. What do we got it on? 73. We hit it. Oh, you can set it on peak. Yeah, let's go peak. See, we went to 78, so we can back that off. Now, I'm going to also do these in a cross pattern. We're at 64. Let's go slower. See how I'm in the green? So I'm pretty close right there. 73, 74.6. Now let's go this top one. See, that one's real loose. Pretty close, 73. We're right on it. That was perfect. Perfect. So yeah, there it is, everybody. I set them all between 73 and 80 Newton meters of torque, which is where you'd want to spec these on this trailer tire here. And I've been very impressed with this wrench. I've actually used it a few other times, testing it out on some smaller things, and it worked perfect. It's easy to read. It's loud. You can see when you're in spec or out of spec. If you want to back it off, you can back it off a little bit. I think this would be a great addition for anyone that's just wanting to do make sure they get the specs right on all of their parts, whether they're working on engines or boats or something like that, and you need to hit it where it needs to be. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on a digital torque wrench. See you on the next video.